Elio nanda padi ba UPND. Mwana kwa tule sabaila. Ngande chita advice ba UPND na ngwa president baka inde chilema. Mwana kwa timbi tule sabaila. Baka inde chilema balama councillors bale tere across the country. Watch achievement have achieved as Zambians. Mwasenda ama councillors aba opposition na ama councillors aba ruling. Mwabaleta kurusaka for what? That is wasting of taxpayers' money. Indalama mafumisha kuisesha kupela ba councillor babya. Umwakulala if yakulya na ma transport ama refund. Mafumisha kuisesha indalama. So what have you achieved as UPND? Ama councillors omwaletere aba ku opposition bakana. Mwale bamepesha tio basta indot president akainde chilema. Mulaona ule ndalama shachalo. Ngachakwa bati minister of local government yali fumye ndalama. For what purpose? Baka inde chilema ngabali landa vila mpavecho. Eta kurusaka. Wasting of taxpayers' money. Imaba minister of local government ngachakwa bati mwali fumye ndalama. Isha kupela ba member ba councillor. When you lose power, you pay back. Because that meeting of calling Ishwendalama Filafi achiwe by PF ama ministers badaba ale bomba after that is of parliament badisa lipirendalama na imwe mwema councillor bonse mweba sendele ndalama mwema councillor bonse mweba sendele rupia. I want to advise you ndemi ebo kwebati shirendalama mwasendele mwapokere mukesabwesha because shirendalama kutishashitako umuti mufipatala shirendalama kutishapela ko abantu abalechula shirendalama kutibarundira ko ba civil servant allowances. It's very unfortunate and uncalled for. Muriamo mwaire ba ama councillors uwapangire ni Edgar Lungu na ba PF mwali mwana Edgar Lungu efya bomba kula onalo fendela mashachalo. That is wasting taxpayers' money. Because councillor uli umo ngamwale mpela 5,200 kwacha transport refund badi 1,800 plus times 5,000 ishinge ndala mesho ishwendalama kuti mwapela kwa ba police fuel mwashitama fuel across mwapela kwa ba nani ba police fuel ba police baleka lokwa bula fuel ma motoka mulandi wako bati mulanda kwa bendalama. So me I'm asking mwema councillor bose mwaba ile kurusaka mukuri endalama sha chalo pandu shalinda amasha chalo kenda amasha baka inde chilema nga bale fwaya nga bali fumye ndalama sha uma pocket no kufolesha ba councillor. So ba councillor bonse mwaba sendele shilendalama mwasendele tashikwete meaning you are all involved on the wasting taxpayers' money. Muna kwa toruse na bela Zambia muna kwa toruse na abantu abelechula tete mwafuma kuma shangombo mwafuma kuchinsari mwafuma kwa chama mwafuma kupeta uke mwafuma ku Southern Province mwaza mkusendenda la mashachalo mune kwa toruse ne chalo ukusamwa kulona ule chalo pato to mule samwa mula ndama mashachalo esho mule onalo kumusamwa kweka. Okay, your meeting your mwapwetela baka inde chilema. What are we going to benefit out of that meeting as Zambians? What are we going to benefit out of that meeting? Muna urenda lama shacho tule tamba. Mwabela Zambia. Muna baka inde chilema bala urenda lama. Muna tamba. Patu kona urenda lama kudia. Okay, ila meeting aka inde chilema kwetela ma councillor. Nishita pangeve press briefing alanda. Gala ndileka. Kandukula itaba councillor the whole country. Awabele ba councillor aletere. Achiba mushibale sajuna ba mushita indozi. Tabamutela indoors na mwala banani ba councillor badi ya kuli plan mundubire ba councillor bambi bale kano kwa tatwamutela indoors. So what was the purpose of bringing those councillors across the country wasting taxpayers' money? And when I talk about this nonsense of wasting taxpayers' money, you are wasting taxpayers' money where mama councillors ngatwa chinjwa buteko mulefala mutamulefwaya whether it will take us another 5 years. Boys, you come and pay because okay, choma she kurusaka chinshi. Choma ile kurusaka muchite chinshi choma ile kurusaka. What have you achieved of that meeting? What have you achieved out of that meeting? Fish to attract benefit as Zambians. Mama Zambiani, kwa seko muri. Fish mo attract benefit. By meeting iliama councillors the whole country because muchite multiply. Bale iliama councillor badia. Indala mashabu teko. Esho bale bonsha. And when we talk about this, mwema civil servant mule supporter ala tulela nda chachile unaika mwema Zambia ni mule supporter mulao baishite mukumona ka inde chile maeka baishite mukumona bada makansela on taxpayers money inda mashachoshile unaika mule tasha inda mashachoshile unaika mule rumba inda mashachoshile unaika mule tasha kona ule chalo fuchi kona ikalifine ama students bale support obuteko bule una ule chalo na bele ndalama bale bafundisha ba UPN tebakwata manufacturing company iya kupanga ingashitishe vindu lo kupanga ndalama where are they getting the money ukula pela ba ama students where are they getting the money for the where are they getting the money ukula pela ba counselor that money is for Zambians but mwebela Zambia mwalitemo obuchushi mwebela Zambia mwana support chili chonse that's why chinwe chalo tapata ko chingaya akainde chilema should address the nation. Why he called those Ama councillors? What is the benefit of that poor person of Chawama? What is the benefit of that poor person of Kashikishi? What is the benefit of that poor person of Mansa? Muna ule chomule tamba. Bala ule ndama shachalo. Nama councillor. Bavotele kubantu. Bala ya kurusa kamukuria. What have you benefited? What is the purpose of that meeting? Mwaku rusaka. Ela mambo kula ndo kwebati. Yo. Mwakurusaka namba uwa mitiri oyo mwamukana tyo tatule musita indoors isho ndalama mwasendele shanshi because waba ku opposition echo wakonkele kurusaka chinshi walishibati akainde taba ku opposition niwe bo kansela wacho mwalefu okulia mwalefu ndalama shacha muleria mama politician muleria ndalama shachalo mulaona ule ndalama shachalo. You the politicians, you are crooks. You are a councillor of PF. You are a councillor of opposition. You want to do what in Lusaka? You are not looking after the Zambian people. Abela Zambia bale chula. Abela Zambia bale lila. Mnasa ndenda ma shachosho mwe unaula. Ela tukesa mkushipoka shirenda lama. Mwikesa lila. Mwema councillor bonse. Aba UPND, mweba ku opposition, shirendela mwasendele, na mukongola, you pay back, because that meeting has got nothing to the Zambian people. You are wasting taxpayers' money, mwe. Muna urendela mashachalo, na mudele loko na urendela mashachalo, uwaso wabuka, kwa na urendela mashachalo, uwaso wabuka, kwa na urendela mashachalo. Akainde ichilema, tendela mashakwa shiria, Minister of Local Government, wawa saine pandalama, you pay back that money because we are not going to allow wasting taxpayers' money. Abantu complainer everywhere. Mama politician, why are you destroying this country? You are a councillor. You are supposed to defend the people that who voted for you in the world. I can assure you, we change the government, you pay back that money. That meeting is waste of taxpayers' money. That meeting has got no meaning to the poor Zambian people. Politician. Ba politician basakala nyongo ibwe. Muna ule charo. You are wasting our money. Ida meeting mwakwete kula kurusaka. Yanshi. You the people of Southern Province. You the people of Western Province. You the people of Northwestern Province. You the people of Ruapula, Northern Copper Belt. Why are we allowing this nonsense happening in the country? Wasting taxpayers' money. This is pure wasting of taxpayers' money. Kula sende ba council across the country. Kula ona urendela mashacharo. Abela Zambia bale chula. Mpatata mwaba miti. Ba farmer bale chula. Ba civil servant bale chula. Ama truck driver bale chula. Ba mukamfura bale chula. Abala banshiwa bale chula. Mule sende shirenda lama. Kuloko government mule ona urendela ma. Kama kwa tafya kusita. Shirenda lama. Mwapera ma councilor. Esho badile mo. Kuti mwapange skulu. Kushangombo. Kuti mwapange skulu. Southern Province, kuti mwapanga 1/3 classroom mwapanga kupeta uke, kuti mwapanga skulu kunani ku Western Province Ruapula, kuti mwapanga skulu ka skulu langwa clinic nangu ka shelter kama da shelter kakweba chibana mama bale papilamo mwalebule ndala meshachana mule unaula tamwa kwa taruse na bena Zambia. You politicians, you are crooks. You politicians, you don't love this country. chirendala mawini ngamwali sende ba local government mwapanga kwa ama maternity wing mwapela bana mama bale papilamo mule bulenda mashachalo bakansela muleria naba opposition amano yaba kwisa you the councillors echo mwana kusakatishi mwana mko na urendela mashacharo mwafumoko kudabala ndo kweba atina mchita indoza kainde echilema mwa ageni mwa achinja yota tuwa mchita indoza kainde echilema cho mwakongele kusakatishi mwalefu okula na urendela mashacharo mlefu wa mule riendela mashacharo basakala nyongo imwe mwa na ure charo mwa politician basakala nyongo mwa na ure charo nishi mwa na ure charo mwa ndu waku itemwa mwa kala kutemwe charo chenu because shenda mwaona ule kumurungushi ngamwalipanga kwe skuru kukopa peot ngamwalipanga una 1/3 classroom abana be skuru balangiramo mwalapanga kwa kapatala kamini hospital nangu kanani ka health post abantu balabomfya you the politicians namona ule chalo basakala nyongo imwe ba politician namona ule chalo where are the normal politicians where are you chachile unaika abantu bale for ndama for nothing mwana ule ndama chachalo. It's up to us to change the narrative. It's up to us to come together and kick out this government. These people are not helping us. Look at the salaries of the police officer. Look at the salaries of the teachers. Look at the salaries of the civil servants. I'm a civil servant bade chula. Mune bule ndalama. Mune pela ba kansela. Aba tapala ba chita. Mune pele ndama shakona ulaka inde ichilema. Ule kwa tolu sena abantu. Mwila una ule ndama shachalo. Okay, you are kind of Chilema. Can you tell the Zambian people what you have achieved from that meeting? You tell the Zambian people what you have achieved by calling all the councillors across the country. Bamofile kushangombo, bamofile kusinjembela, bamofile kumpurungu, bamofile kuna konde. Wasting taxpayers' money. Abena Zambia muletota. Chalabaleo naula. Kuli aba mkukuru ba politician. Baleo naule cho muletamba. People must advise wakateka wakainde ichilema. You are the president of this country. Mwana liba kansela ba ishile. Efe babi sebanya. Barando kwe batiyo. Tatuwa ishile chama endorsement. How are they helping you? Bale kusebanya. Shwendala mwa bapere ba kansela. Aba ku opposition. Na ba ruling. Waona ulafye. Shwendala mango waliwo damo Petro. Abantu fiyo kasha. Batako benefit. Nangu walanda fiati this month. Bolse. Takwakabya kuli pilama right. Chama mwalipirila kwa abantu ama right for free. Mwasenda shirenda lama. Mwashituwala kuzesko. Nokula ndio kweba tibonse. Ama Zambian this month. Tamwashitama right. Chawa mapo. Zandi kula pela bakansela aboba lerienda lama. Ule chalo abantu bale tamba. Shirenda lama nga mwalila ndio kweba tibi. Mwalali pila bazesko. Umwina Zambia onse. Kali pilama right this month. Chawa mapo, mule bule ndala mashacharo, mule tuma kunani, mule tuma ku China, by mistake, shirenda manga mwalipela bazesko, mwaleba bazesko kulando kwebati, this month, abela Zambia tabashitama right, ishinda lama, tuwala upanga by mistake, tutume ku China, tuwala pela bazesko, abela Zambia, bashitako benefit, this month, tabashitama right. That's the only way you can help the Zambian people, but because the government, tachumfa, mwatu chusha, tamule umfamwe ba politician ba ku opposition na ba politician ba ku ruling nimo bakandile tamule landira kwa abantu tamule afu abantu chamule fuara. You are a council of the opposition chamule fuara mule fo kulalia mule fo tufumo tulefuma tamule la bataba miperi amakayo bantu mwebela Zambia ba council abose abo balinge kuba tamfya bale fo kulia tabale fo kulosha palimwe. Balabo saba votere bill 7. No tukuba votera. Kaita bomfwa. Bantu ngatule chita. Church yali kene bill 7. Court yali kene bill 7. Fyoza fina odeka mucharo. Church abantu abali 130 shani. Bapange funde ila kweba tibonse twakana. Church yakana, court yakana. Abantu bakana bamukupele funde. Abantu abali abanono. Chalo chile oneka muletamba. Elo echala chikona ikachino. Elo mkalashe tabana. Mulandu wansala. Mwikala ndeta tuwale landa. Kwa dinsoke. Takwa ufile bantu. Na alikuwebele. Taburu wapo. Bakansela bonse. Mweba forele ndalama. When we change the government. Tuwe mekina shwa mkesa alipila. Kamwa kwa talusena bantu. Chala chile oneka muletamba. Fio yali dula. Uvunga wali dula. Fio sofi yali dula mcharo. You are the councillors voted by the people. Destroying this country in your hands because mlefu wa indalama. Zambian people wake up and watch the steps of this country.